Hello everyone, I'm right here, and in this video we are going to be looking at the WordPress Popup plugin tutorial, how we can use it to easily create a WordPress pop-up form. Why do you need a pop-up form? A pop-up form can give readers a very quick way to contact you without leaving the page they are on. And also it helps build your email list so that readers can subscribe to your email newsletter. So let's jump in and make a pop-up form. The first thing you need to do is install the WordPress plugins we'll be using. You will need to install the pop-up maker and the WP forms. That's the two plugins we are going to be using in this video. All you have to do is in your admin dashboard, navigate to plugins and click on add new. I already installed these plugins, so I won't be installing them again. After you're done installing these two plugins and they are activated, we are going to need to create a form, a simple form where our pop-up is going to stay. To create a form, all we need to do is navigate to the left side, WP forms, and click on add new. We are going to select a template, so let's click on this blank form. Click create a blank form, click on it. It's loading, so give it some time. And it's loaded. So let's start building our simple form. All we need to do is we need to drag a field, click on the field, then drag it here. That's all we need to do. So let's say we want the name, so we click on it. So we click and then drag, put the name here. As you can see, this is the name field, the first name and the last name. The first name and the last, is double, so let's delete one. Yes, please. So if we need the email, we are going to click on it, and the email will appear right here. You can click drag or just click on it and it will appear. Just give some few seconds to load and it will appear there. So we have the name and we have the email fields. So if, for example, let's say you see all this right here that is grayed out, they are only available for premium users, not in the free version. So let's make use of this name and let's make use of this email. Once we're done creating our simple form, let's give our simple form a name. So let's give our simple form contact us. So once we're done, we're going to click save. Our form is created already. So let's click this cancel, this cross, let's exit from our form setup. As you can see, this is our form right here up above, and we have the short code. As you can see, created September 15, 2020. So now that we have created our form, our simple form, I want us to create our pop-up form. So for us to do that, we are going to go to the pop-up maker. Where is the pop-up maker? Let's search for it. We got the pop-up maker. Here it is. So we're going to click on the pop-up maker and click on add pop-up. So let's add a new pop-up. Let's enter our pop-up name. So the name of our pop-up, can give it a name, can give it something like hello. Let's give it something like hello, something so simple. The pop-up title is optional. You can leave it blank, but let's add give your details. Give your details. and after you have given the title of your form, so let's click on add form. Click on add form. So we are going to select the form we created earlier. Remember, the name of the form we created earlier is contact us. So let's scroll down, look at it. Click on contact us, and let's click on add form. Okay, you can see the short code. The short code was used. Now that our pop-up form is created, let's customize the settings. So let's go down and click on add new trigger. Click on add new trigger. As you can see right here, let's click open. Let's click this drop down. So we have the time delay. Let's click on time delay / auto open. This will trigger the pop-up to open after your website visitors have been on the page for a set amount of time. So let's put 5 seconds. So let's click add, then let's set it to 5 seconds. Yeah, 500 milliseconds. So let's leave it this way, and let's click on add, and we have set a new trigger. So let's beautify the pop-up. So let's click display. As you can see, there are list of available templates you can choose from. You can see center pop-up, right bottom sliding, top bar, left bottom notice. So let's click on this center pop-up. Let's click on it. As you can see, display settings have been updated with the center pop-up preset. You can go to appearance. You can choose a theme. A theme can be, you can choose anything you want. Let's put light box. Let's see the size. The size can be anything you want. So this means that once you're done, you preview it so that the display will match what exactly you want. So you will just keep on customizing your options. That's what you are going to do after previewing it. So you can see position, advanced, and the rest. So once everything is done, I want you to click the publish. So we'll click on publish. And now our pop-up is published. As you can see, pop-up published. So let's click the preview. Let's see how it looks. Click preview. And this is how our pop-up looks like. Ain't she beautiful? This is our pop-up, guys. Thank you so much for watching this WordPress Popup plugin video. Please give a like and subscribe to my channel. Comment below if you have any questions. I post video every single day about WordPress. Peace out.